we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Hadisi fryer 4-gallon cover. Consists of the following features. Fryer cover. Fit for 4-gallon fryer model 700 to 701. Please note that, cover only, without fryer. For ease to use and install, we have designed a zipper opening on the top of our cover. Durable fryer cover. Our fryer cover is made of 600D durable Oxford cloth with waterproof coating, which is waterproof, UV resistant, tear resistant and more. It can fully cover the fryer, include the chimney, and can protect your fryer from water, UV, dirt, moisture, and more, make it always look like new, and extend the service life of the fryer. Special design. The adjustable drawstring and buckles at bottom make the cover tightly fit with the fryer and ensure that the cover will not be blown away in bad weather. Strong handles on the side of the cover make it easy to install and remove. An Oxford cloth is easy to clean. When it's get dirty, you just need to wipe or wash it with water, it will be clean soon. And after dry, you can use it again. Easy to use. Top zipper opening make the cover can be opened on the top for easy to operate the fryer. And when not in use, the zipper can be closed to prevent dust and other dirt. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.